right, we are back. This is part two of the charge. And to get going, I want to show you the instrument that the system uses, basically. So this is uh, titled indictment numbering. What this is so once the paperwork from the officer is transferred over to the prosecuting attorney, to the grand jury, then that process is done, and then you get this process right here back, which is a indictment, and the indictment is basically the negotiable instrument or instrumentality that is used to create the formal charge process. Now, that particular document relates to the security or encumbrance upon the property, because now at this point, the indictment is affixed to the what I call social identity, or what some people will term the straw man identity, which is your government issued ID or your state issued ID from your the municipality or the controlling party that issues the ID, regardless of where you live in the United States. And so, with that being said, now that is those two documents kind of married together, but the charge against the property, right? Because neither of those things are organic property in terms of like natural. So those are artificial because they're paperwork, right? So neither of those properties are organic. So the only organic property in the situation that can have a lien placed against it is you, the natural person, right? So that's how that process is set up. So now you have a claim or charge on property for payment of some debt. So basically now there's a debt established through this process and a lien established against you that creates another part of this system that operates, that stems all the way back from the initial encounter when you make contact with what's termed the police or public safety officer or whatever appellation may be ascribed to it. So this, in a nutshell, is how this whole process evolves, and it gets deeper as we go along. And get ready to get into video 3 coming up next.